So we out here at Rafa's garage. Today we're working on this. We're replacing the rear motor mount on that, on the end. Motor mount's right there. Pop the hood already. We're gonna take out that battery, 13s or 10s, depending if you have stock terminals or not. We are gonna take that bottom tray because this is gonna come out from the top. We are gonna lift up the car, take off that wheel right there. And then you got like probably like 3 14 bolts going up. Actually 2 bolts and 1 nut, I believe so. And it is gonna come through this side. This one's automatic, so there's one less cable you have to worry about. So 10, that's for the ECU. You got 12, 12, another 12 over here. You sometimes need this 10 right here to come out. This one doesn't have it. Just to move the ECU out the way, remove this little tube, just pull up, pull out, and yeah. So took off this 10 on top of the motor mount, and as you can see, my motor mount is gone. It's actually a tranny mount, but we're probably gonna take this hose off, and we're gonna bring it up through here. Reason I take this off makes it easier. So down in here, you got a 17 when it's off already. Took it off, just an extension, and the ugga dugga now to go under there and do the 14s that are down there. You got 1, 2, and then you got another one right here, which that's the nut. This is the nut. That's another bolt over there. So let's do those. There it is. I took it off, and I had to take the bracket. It does have 2 screws, or 3. 1, 2, 3. Actually, this motor mount actually has 4. 2 nuts, 3 nuts, and 1 bolt. So I lied. Has 4. 4 14s, and then that one has 3. All done. Battery's on. Now, just to get an alignment, and what else do I need? Recharge the AC. That I'm gonna do tomorrow.